Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to work text around an image in Photopea. Let's begin. See this image and apply two way. You can use pen tool or shape tool. Example, use pen tool. Click, curve, hold, alter. Again click, curve, hold, alter. You can use smoothly. I use example for. Okay, then click text, right click, type tool and use for option, then click line tool and type anything. Example, double click, resize text, or click shape tool, right click, rectangle, hold shift, do not use fill, only stroke color, curve, type text, use for these options, line tool and type anything. Double click, resize text icon, paragraph, fill. Secondly, hold control, align, middle and remove the shape. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share.